Gold yesterday has created a bearish breakout below this small support that has been mentioned the day before, 2634.53, and around that level, and then the price continued to fall down. We can see that. Now we can see that the price has formed a bearish candle yesterday, where the price has reached the first support level to 618.75, which is a confluence of support because we have this uptrend trend line which is acting as a support, and we have this horizontal line which is also acting as a support. Now we can see the price tried to move even more down, going below the support and also this demand zone, but the end of the day has not allowed the price to go even more down and close the day below, which would be also a signal for the bears that the bears are much more strong than the bulls, and the price could continue to move even more and more down. Now we can see the price has stopped right here, so it is very important to see will the price manage to make a bearish breakout below this support level and continue to fall down, or there will be a bounce and a retrace from this price level going upwards to the first resistance level, which is also possible to see, which will be first one is here, 2634.00 around this price level, and then the next one will be around 2641 and also 2642 price level. So these are the levels that are expected. But on the bearish side, if the price goes below, this will also open a space for the price to go even more down to the second support level and demand zone, which is 2586.24. We can see that here, the next level where the price will stop if the price makes a bearish breakout. For that, it is much more better to see on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, as we have seen yesterday. I have shared this with the traders inside trading community. When the price managed to make a breakout, the target was expected to be right here around this support level. So it is very important to see how the price behaves around 4-hour support level and the 1-hour time frame. And if the price breaks below this price level, this will indicate further decline and also a bearish strength against the bulls, where the next target will probably be here around this first support below this one. Let's see how this goes. See you tomorrow and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.